Hey gang, we're over here at 9557 Siracusa. This is in Treviso Bay. This is a non-golf home here, so no golf membership on this particular property. It's got a 3-car garage, a stone finish out front, pool, outdoor kitchen. They've got some nice upgrades in this home with the plank style floor that you see when we walk in here. Direct to our left is going to be the den or bedroom, depending on how you want to set it up. You can see it has the glass panel doors, so originally it was meant as a den. However, you can convert it into a bedroom. It is a nice sized room with the bay windows. They change out the lighting up here. And there's the closet, which does have the wood shelving as well, which is a nice touch, and the pass-through sliding doors as opposed to bifold doors. They've added this nice entry light here as well. And when you come into the main portion of the house here to the right is your formal dining area. You can fit a really nice sized table here. They've got the chandelier that they've added here as well. And then you've got your living space right here with your triple sliders going into the pool area. Now, directly off this dining and living space is your master. Let's go take a look at this here. On the left side is the bathroom, which you have your soaking tub, your private commode, and then also you've got your walk-in style shower. Really nice size shower here. And then back on the other side directly across you have your dual vanities. You've got some really big closets here in the master. You have this one here on the left, again all with the wood shelving. It's a really nice size closet space. And then directly across you have another closet, again with the wood shelving. And then you've got your master suite here. Really nice size master suite. That's a king size bed there. We've got tons of room outside of it. You also have this seating area back here. And a pass-through sliding glass door out to the lanai on the left there. So coming back up through the master, we're going to shoot straight across the dining space. And back through this way, you're going to have your entry to your garage, which is to the right here. This is your laundry space, washer and dryer. You have your separate sink, and then also you have a hanging rack here, along with some storage. Your cabinetry, it is wired for security through Vitex as well. You can use any company that you like for security. Then here you have your 3-car garage, and you can see that the floors are painted with the epoxy as well. And coming back in, you come in through your laundry room and your garage area. You come directly straight into the kitchen. That's nice, so when you have groceries, those kind of things, you can just walk right in to your kitchen. You have the wall oven and microwave there. You have your vented hood, tile backsplash, electric cooktop, all stainless appliances, corner pantry right there. And this overlooks your eating kitchen area, and then also your great room area here. So you have 2 nice sized living spaces. Before we get to the back, we're going to pop back up here, go right past the laundry space, and then we have the guest bedrooms. You have one here, again with your pass-through closet doors and wood shelving. You have a shared bath directly in between. They've added the glass sliding doors to the tub there, which is a nice little addition. And you've got your granite countertop vanity here as well. And then you have your other guest bedroom, again with wood shelving in the closet and your sliding pass-through door there. All the windows do have a 2-inch forward blind on all the windows as well. Now coming towards the rear of the property, just off the great room, you have a pool bath, which is a full bath. So you've got your glass enclosed shower there, and you have your door here that leads directly out to the pool area, so you have access directly into the home. And then you have your other guest bedroom here, just off the pool bath. Again, your sliding pass-through closets with the wood shelving, and easy access to the pool bath here. Now we're going to take a little stroll outside. Here's a view from the great room to the kitchen area. And we're going to take a little stroll outside, take a look at the pool area. There is an outdoor kitchen, which is really attractive. You have a fridge, the vented hood, and the grill. It is propane tank powered, so you would need propane tanks to fire that up. You've got this nice spa and pool with the raised elevated area towards the back. Currently not on, but these there's waterfall features right there. If you can see those white lines there, those are waterfalls that would come out from your pool area. Really nice size area for entertaining back here. And this particular home looks over the preserve here in the Siracusa subdivision of Treviso Bay. It's a little bit more of the western facing orientation, so you're going to get really nice sunsets. These owners have what we call areca palms. You can see these bushy palm trees right outside the pool area. We call them the weeds of the palm tree family. They grow really thick and really tall, and they provide tons of privacy from your neighbors. So you do have it on one side and on the other as well. That way neither of the neighbors that you have are looking into your pool area. And then again, your pool area, you can see, is nicely covered with sun with this western style exposure. Really nice and private back here. You've got a large under truss area as well. Plenty of room for entertaining, for your tables, dinner, dining al fresco. And you can see right through the inside, right through the corner window, your eating kitchen area, the kitchen, and again, there's your front door. Alright, so this is the Portofino floor plan that you'll find here at Treviso Bay. This particular home is non-golf. Give me a call, shoot me an email if you'd like to have some more information about this property. This is Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property Group. You can reach me at 239-671-4046. You can also email me, Roberto, at trevisobayatnaples.com. Again, that's Roberto at trevisobayatnaples.com. Talk to you soon.